So we're gonna do one more with the area, finding areas. I'll put a poster out there. There is the question. Let's get started. There's a doggy out there. So let's find the values. So you see that area of the polygon. That's good. You can make some rectangles so that way you can get a good picture. Very good work.
6. Okay, so this is 3, and then this 6 inches, so this is 18 inch. Okay. So now this one is 6. This is also 18 inches.
Right.
And this one is also 18 inches. 18. Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing, I'm just getting some color, that's all.
Okay, and then this one is 3 inches. 1 minus 18. 63.
Okay, that's good.
Oh my god,
All the calculations.
Sorry, someone's just popping things in the house.
So I like this. This total area, you got it, and then you make it down to small rectangles.
Minus, and then the last one, 3.
Okay.
60 inches square.
I like that. There we go. Excellent. Very good.
You know what that is, right?
Okay.
Find the area of the triangle.
What the given parameters is given to you. So the b is given, h is given. What does the b means?
Okay. Alright, so
what's
base means base and height.
That's right.
So, okay, so 12 times 8.
Now, how do you...
Easy to get confused with the percent symbol and then the division symbol. Okay, very good. I like it when at the end you put the unit is meter square or square units. Whenever it is area is a square units.
Yeah.
Okay. If it is a volume, it's a cubic units. Like a meter cube or something like that. You have to write it. Okay. Very good.
And if it is perimeter, it is
just 2 units. Good. Very good. I like that.